is in this program we need to find. So to find minimum number from an array. So this is our topic. So what is the program title, program name? You can write to find the minimum number from an array. So here I am defining an array by using a list. So now you can write like this one, defining an array by using a list. Okay, so now what is the step of this comment section? That is a double r equal to c, list of the element. So defining an array by using the list element. Okay, so this is the point. You can write like this one. So what are the element? I'm just choosing like here randomly. You can choose any, taking only the like this one, and 55 documents. So this is the context of the previous the above statement, which is defining an array by using a list element. Okay, now so we have to define a variable. So a variable which is required to which is required uh, to determine the minimum value. So we have to define a variable. So what is a variable? That is min is equal to a double r 0. So initially what we are doing here, you can say initially initially, so you can write like this one. Initially we are assuming that first value will be on will be minimum value. Okay, so minimum value. So we are assigning first value to the minimum variable. Now we are doing why we are doing, so we have the minimum variable. So now here you can write like the use for loop to to find appropriate appro, appropriate minimum value among the set of the elements from into a list. Okay, so this is a point you need to keep in mind, and you can write like this one. So I have written here from this is the point. So how you can use it? This is my point. So you can use a loop like this, I in range. So what is the beauty of the range? Range is a function by which I can define the range starting from the 0 to len. So what is a len? You can use a len in different ways. So you can write like this one. Mm, uh, use len method uh, to get the size of the array, to size of the defined array. Okay, so the word we need to use right in proper way, defined array. So here we have the word how to get it the size of the array. So of course s is the size, so s is the size, so with I using a l method. And what is the array variable? So we have done. Now by using this for loop, what we are doing, we are just putting the size. And now see this one, here you have to use the if condition. So you have to write this here, a condition is required to uh, check uh, which element is smaller than the others. Okay, the others. So what is the condition? If uh, a double r inside the, we have to use the I, and this should be less than minimum. If it is so by this condition, if it is so, then what is happening? If condition is true, then condition is true, then minimum value will be replaced by a double r I value. Okay, so there will be simple statement a double r I just variable and is minimum value. So minimum will be updated. So here minimum value is updating. So replace. So I can write like this one, minimum value variable, variables value will be updated. Okay, so now this is updated. So finally if it is updated, now at the last we need to print. Here we need to display the minimum value as desired. So let us check by the print function. So minimum is equal to str min we are printing. So if I try to run this code, so let us check this code it is working or not. So let us check. Finally I got the answer, minimum value is 7. So in the examination you have to write the program like this one as I have written over here. So what is the output we are getting? It is clearly showing that among the list of the element, those are the 25, 11, 7, 75, 55. Among these five different values, we are getting the minimum value, that is 7. Okay, so this is a simple program by which you can sort out your problem.